What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti. I am here today at Green Leaves. This is a vegan Thai restaurant, and today I'm gonna try some yellow vegan curry. Let's see how Green Leaves does curry. All right, guys, we got our vegan yellow curry right here. You get a nice yellow color to the curry sauce, chunks of tofu, bamboo shoots, look like those are gonna bring a little crispy crunch to the action. There's a bed of noodles under this yellow curry sauce. Curry sauce looks delicious. Comes with bean sprouts, diced pickles, diced onions, a lime, and we squeezed lime juice over the top. The yellow curry looks beautiful, but let's see how it tastes. This right here, this vegan yellow curry is fire. The vegetables bring kind of an earthy, fresh, natural taste to it. Don't get a whole lot of flavor out of the tofu, but it's very tender. Noodles are cooked well. The soft, tender tofu goes nicely with the crispy, crunchy bamboo shoot. The curry sauce is nice and creamy, rich with flavor. It's like a home-cooked meal. Feels like vegan comfort food in a way. Overall, it's a delicious bowl of curry. All right, guys, that wraps up this episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.